Um, we going to California. Okay, so we're back in Vegas. We're on our way. We took a little nap at a 76, and it was probably one of the most disgusting places I've seen. Trash was overflowing everywhere, but I was really tired, so I didn't film. But now we're in Vegas, and I'm gonna go get a Red Bull and pee. Okay, so the S2K's back here in Utah, and well, we know the timing chain's already broke, and I would pull the head off to see how the bottom end is doing, except I just don't want to do any of the work, and it could be junk, and we have the other S2K here. So we could just AP2 swap this with all the shit from that. So I guess it's just time to kind of start digging into this. Gonna pull the motor, and pull the head off, and inspect and see where shit is. And we'll pray that the block is usable again. Dude, you look like you're in a fucking clown car.
You want to waste?
You literally want to waste?
Literally right now, I can't fucking move my feet. Oh, there we go. Oh, fuck. I'm getting claustrophobic. Holy fucking shit.
Oh, come on! Don't fucking hit the toolbox! Fuck!
It's okay, hit the plastic.
So here's what we gotta do. I've never pulled an S2K motor before. And my instinct tells me I should probably pull the trans first, because putting engines in to transmissions kind of sucks when they're in the car. So here's what we gotta do. Do not want to strip this. Because nothing in life can go well. But in my socks today. Oh fuck, you can't really see it. I can't lift my leg up high enough. I'm in my socks. I've been going slow on this project. This is my first time pulling an F-Series motor out of an S2K. So I think I've got like a good bearing on what I need to do. Went scrolled some fucking forums. Now I'm going to execute. I just drained the, I'm draining the water out of it right now. I gotta piss, actually. And then we'll get back to it. I'm hoping I can have it out today, but I'm not gonna pressure myself. I'm just gonna go slow, take my time, try and get everything disconnected well the first time, and then yank the motor. Now, since I stripped the drive shaft bolts, I'm gonna probably have to just drop the subframe enough to get the transmission out, because there's some like bolts next to the firewall up top on the transmission. And then I'll just leave the transmission jacked up. I'll probably have to cut those bolts out, and then I'll just pull the motor, inspect the motor, and see what's going on there.
What the fuck? You can't even hear it. It's just like... Just like a fucking random ass button up.
Yeah.
And just like do this in your underwear.
That feels really specific.
Yeah, because I want to see it.
I'm back from the poop. Oh shit, oh my god. Oh fuck, wrong way, wrong way. Nico?
Mm-hmm. Oh! There's a camera. Did you know that?
Hey, you guys ever heard of Facebook Marketplace? There's like cool stuff on there.
Oh yeah, with the light up here, you can really see all the bolts I stripped. Ah, fuck. God, I hate these fucking clips. Oh, that won't make sense. I guess it splits off into 3 leads, but one's definitely longer.
Yeah, I'll just throw it in Windows Movie Maker. Hey, make sure you cut the red wire up there.
I told you I'm not good at bomb disposal.
I hate sand, it's coarse.
Gets everywhere.
Oh, are you allergic to horsepower? Is that what's going on here? You know, usually people just cut those out.
Oh, fuck. Is there a cat in here?
Does it meow?
Come on, kitty. Holy shit.
There's a cat in there?
Yeah. There's a fucking cat in there.
What?
I don't want to do it anymore.
I've seen like the stages of grief today.
Here's the deal. The shifter bolts in from the bottom. There's 4 10 mil bolts. My 10 mil long MIA right now. It's somewhere up there. So I gotta go locate that. Then I'll come back down here. I'll remove the shifter. Then I gotta sort out how I gotta put the motor on the mount, get the hoist out, you know? That's what I'm saying. Then I gotta drop pretty much this whole assembly 3 inches so I can get the trans mounts out. Or the trans bolts. And then, so 5 more minutes basically. It kind of complicates things because I was gonna drop the subframe down a little, leave the trans in for now because of the bolts, the drive shaft bolts stripped, and then I was gonna pull the motor out the top, but I need to be able to put the fucking hoist onto something, which I was gonna use the headers.
The headers, okay. I was like, what are you getting at? What do we need the headers on? There's seriously no other place to put them. Chat's calling you stupid right now. I can feel it.
God, that's what I didn't want.
You look at the fucking valve cover and I'm like, ooh, that smells. No. It smells like race car shit. That's what you want.
I mean, this is a car with 276,000 miles on it.
You saw it. He was mad.
Like, I guarantee you, me and Preston wouldn't have played if he didn't treat us like shit.
Then he would have had a cuss job like Carlos.
Those are so cheesy. Like, they're boomers. We already do this one. Yeah, you should have known already. Yeah.
I don't know. I didn't really find that out. Maybe let's go clear space. Okay.
Yo! Bro!
Because we're not worried about timing still, because the timing ain't broke. It's a little, right? Like normal.
That's like normal wear.
It's normal wear, exactly. Dude, how? How did Courtney get this fucking look?